Hello everyone, welcome back to English Daily. I am so happy that you are here today. I hope you are having a wonderful day. May you always have good health, happiness, and success in everything you do. Thank you for choosing to learn English with me. Every lesson is another small step toward becoming a confident English speaker. So find a comfortable place, take a deep breath. Listen carefully, and enjoy today's lesson. Today, we are going to talk about something fun and meaningful. Our topic is, my hobby. Everyone has hobbies. Some people enjoy reading books, some love listening to music, and others enjoy playing sports. A hobby helps us relax, it makes our lives more interesting. It also gives us a chance to learn something new. Today, I will tell you about my favorite hobbies. Along the way, you will learn useful English words and natural expressions for daily conversations. Before we begin, I have a small request. If you enjoy these lessons, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with your friends and family who are learning English. Your support helps us create more free English lessons every week. Thank you very much. Now, let's begin. First, let me tell you about my favorite hobby. I really enjoy reading books. Whenever I have a quiet moment, I open a good book and start reading. Books take me to different places. They introduce me to interesting people. And they help me learn new ideas. Reading also helps me improve my English. Every page teaches me something new. One important word today is enjoy. Enjoy means to like something and feel happy while doing it. For example, I enjoy reading every evening. Or, she enjoys listening to music after work. Enjoy is a wonderful everyday verb. Native speakers use it all the time. Let's say it together. Enjoy. Next, I also love listening to music. Music helps me relax after a busy day. Sometimes I listen to soft piano music. Sometimes I choose cheerful songs. The right music can change my mood. It helps me feel calm. It also gives me energy when I need motivation. One lovely phrase is listen to music. It sounds simple, but you will use it very often. Let's repeat it together. Listen to music. After that, I enjoy playing sports. My favorite sport is badminton. I usually play with my friends on weekends. We laugh together. We encourage each other. And we always have a great time. Playing sports keeps my body healthy. It also helps me stay active and positive. Another important word today is practice. Practice means doing something again and again to become better. For example, I practice English every day. Or, he practices badminton every weekend. Practice is an excellent word. The more you practice, the more confident you become. Let's say it together. Practice. Now, let me share a happy memory. A few months ago, my friends invited me to the park. We played badminton for nearly 2 hours. After the game, we sat under a big tree. We talked about school. We shared funny stories. We laughed until the sun started to go down. That afternoon became one of my favorite memories. Here are 2 natural expressions. Play badminton. Have a great time. These expressions sound very natural in everyday English. Let's hear them once again. Play badminton. Have a great time. Next, I want to talk about my free time. During my free time, I usually choose one of my hobbies. Sometimes I read a new book. Sometimes I listen to my favorite songs. Sometimes I go outside and play sports. I do not spend all my free time using my phone. Instead, I like doing activities that help me relax and grow. One important phrase today is free time. Free time means the time when you are not working or studying. For example, I read books in my free time. Or, what do you usually do in your free time? Free time is a very common expression. You will hear it in many English conversations. Let's repeat it together. Free time. After that, I discovered something interesting. My hobbies are not only fun. They also help me become a better person. Reading teaches me new ideas. Music helps me stay relaxed. Sports teach me teamwork and patience. Every hobby gives me something valuable. Another great phrase is learn something new. Native speakers use this expression very often. It is simple, positive, and easy to remember. Let's say it together. Learn something new. Finally, I believe everyone should have at least one hobby. A hobby makes life more colorful. It helps us stay healthy. It gives us happy memories. And it makes every week a little more exciting. Today, we learned 3 important words and phrases. Enjoy. Practice. Free time. Let's say them together one more time. Enjoy. Practice. Free time. Excellent work. Keep using these words whenever you talk about your hobbies. The more you practice speaking, the more natural your English will become. Thank you so much for learning English with me today. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Keep listening. Keep speaking. And keep practicing a little every day. Small steps can lead to great progress. Before you go, please subscribe to English Daily if you have not already. Give this video a like if you found it helpful. Share it with your friends who are learning English. Your support helps this channel continue growing and creating more lessons for everyone. Thank you again for watching. Take care, and have a wonderful day. I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.